I'll explain for very in a very crude language. Okay, Adibhautik. See, this means actually materialistic way. Okay, I go to a very good company. I got a job. I got a returns out of it, right? And I purchase what I want to. This is Adibhautik. This is a different case that we have been told you become 10th pass, boss, nothing there. You will be happy. Then in 12th, you just get PCM or you just appear for IIT. Once IIT done, life is safe. I don't know why IITians also they suicide, that is a different case. But after that, they said no, your degree is over. Done. Your job will be settled. After degree is over, got a job in a very good multinational company. Boss is on your head. Boss is. No, once you got married, everything will be settled. Don't worry. First promotion you get, everything will be settled. You got the promotion, you get married, right? Now, after marriage, somebody will say, boss, you have to prove you are a very lively couple. Then you will say, okay, kid. And after kid, they will say, no, now kid get into school, you are happy. After kid get into school, the same cycle will start, and ultimately happiness will never get it in this way, right? So happiness is dwindling every now and then. This is Adibhautik. There is adidaivik. Adidaivik has the events are scheduled in your life. Consider that somebody, for example, you are going in a different city. On the way, you stop there, and you found one bag having some 100 gold coins. Written that whoever get this bag, please use this for your own expenses. Do not return it. Adidaivik. Okay. Your events are scheduled in that way. I know a person who was working on RNA only, and he went to CCMB interview, and CCMB interview was over, and after that he said, I know RNA, I know I failed in this interview, but I know RNA. Can you ask me questions on RNA? And none of that professor could actually ask that question which he didn't know. He got selected. This is Adidaivik. Events are scheduled. Adhyatmik, very crisp way. In case of Adhyatmik, see, you know what you are, which part of the whole universe you are, and how you are connected to that universe. Say for example, very simple example I will give. The hand is not what I am, but hand is a part of me. And if I say heart is mine, but I am not a heart, right? I am something different. And somebody will say, even after death, there is a life. You know, your nails will increase, your hair will increase, their length will increase. So it means that the life is also not me. It is something else. Correct? When you come to know that the Adibhautik changes, materialistic changes cannot affect you, you become joyous throughout, and that is Adhyatmik. Okay, so Adhyatmik, it is difficult to imbibe at this stage, right? So maybe afterwards when you read epics, you will probably understand the Adhyatmik kind of happiness. Right? So these are the three types of happiness.